Hi everyone, today I'm giving you a quick video tutorial about how you fill out the new ESU supply requisition form. It looks a little bit different than it did before, but I think you'll find that this is much more useful. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the website, go to our quick links, and then to Staff Portal. From there you'll go to the staff forms here on the left, and then to Special Education Forms. When you get down here, you'll notice that under the purchasing and reimbursement forms, there's now a form that's called the ESU Supply Requisition, but instead of being a PDF, it's actually a Google Doc. When you click on that, a new window is going to open and say, do you want to make a copy of ESU Supply Requisition? And yes, you do. That's what makes this pretty nice. So you click Make a Copy button. Now what happens is a copy of this form is now automatically put into your Google Drive, and you can use it. That way you'll have your hard copy for yourself. You can print off a copy and send it to Tammy, or you can email it, whatever. So that's a nice thing. The first thing you'll want to do is you'll notice up here it says copy of ESU supply requisition. Let's get rid of copy because otherwise it'll be kind of confusing. And we're going to say, Jeff G. ESU supply requisition. I could name it with the date or whatever I want to do with it. And then it's simply a matter of clicking in the cells and typing in the information. What makes this form a little bit better than the other one is, let's say we have one, we'll say this is catalog order here. But when you get into the description and you start typing, this is where you type your description of the item you are ordering. You'll notice that as soon as we got to the end of the line, it kind of expanded automatically and let you complete it. So that's a nice thing. You'll put your unit price in here. Let's just say this is $5.55, and since we're buying one of them, it would be $5.55. Now you would do that for each one of these lines you have on your form, but there is no total on here as far as automatically totaling for you. You will have to do the math here, put your subtotal, your shipping and handling cost here. If there's no shipping and handling, there will be a 10% added because there's always shipping and handling, and then the grand total. In these boxes down here, you put the vendor name, the vendor address, the vendor phone, and the vendor fax. Once you have that all completed, you can come over here to print it. And if you want to email it to Tammy, what I would suggest is when you go to print it, instead of selecting the actual printer or the Xerox, if you change this and say print to a PDF, what that will do then is it'll make an electronic copy of it that you can then attach in an email to Tammy, and everything's good to go. And you'll still remain a copy of it in your Google Drive. So that's the new Eastern Services Unit Supply Requisition Form. If you have any questions about how to use it or you need some help, feel free to give Tammy or myself a call, and we will do our best to help you out. Thank you.